what defines injury as catastrophic is, number one, can the person heal from it to be the way they were before the injury? Catastrophic injury, it is unlikely that a person is going to ever be as healthy or pain-free as they were before the event that caused the injury. The other aspect of a catastrophic injury is how extremely does it change their life? The most obvious example of a catastrophic injury would be a person who's paralyzed. They will never function the same. They may be able to go on and often can go on and have productive lives, rewarding lives, but it won't be the same. So that's the obvious example of a catastrophic injury. But there are other types of injuries too. For instance, there are more subtle injuries. A person can be injured and receive a traumatic brain injury that leaves them able to physically function as normal, but alters their brain activity in a way that leaves them in a changed condition from who they were before. So there can be many aspects to catastrophic injury. And the third issue with it is, how much does that injury impact them economically? For a person who's paralyzed, they're going to need help for the rest of their life. They're going to need professional help for the rest of their life. They're going to need aids and assistance and equipment and so forth. And so that's going to be a huge financial burden, not just now, not just in the recovery portion, but in living out their lives. So that could be economically catastrophic. Likewise, an injury that leaves you unable to do your work, your profession, that can have a catastrophic impact on a person or a family financially. And so when we talk about catastrophic injury, we're talking about, what is it, is this the type of injury that is going to leave that person with deficits and with insurmountable, economic costs going forward?